Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to check consumable part life on MOVA V50 Ultra. Some parts of the robot get worn out, like the filter, the brushes, the dust bag, and so on. You need to replace them or clean them after a certain time. And to check that, you can click on three dots in the top right corner and scroll down to accessory usage. Now you'll find all the data about all the things that you may need to clean or replace. You can see, for example, for the filter, it shows me 100%, which means it's new, it hasn't been used. The less percent there is, the closer it is to replacement. It shows me 150 hours remaining. For side brush it's 200 hours, for main brush it's 300 hours. For sensors, you don't replace the sensors, you just clean them, it's 30 hours. Then mops should be replaced as needed, dust bag should be replaced as needed, the omnidirectional wheel should be cleaned as needed, and there's also scale inhibitor in the clean water tank that should be replaced every 1095 days. Now you can simply, once you replace, let's say the filter, you can click on reset filter, and then it will reset the timer to the 100%. Now once you click on plus, you can also find a used water tank deodorizer if you purchase it. If you purchase the used water tank deodorizer and install it, you can add it so it starts also counting the time for it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.